You'll be fine. And if not, then it'll give you and you. It's only like 7. You have an hour to get back. Did he come back up?
He's drowning. Like an idiot. He's drowning.
Did you touch the... Hey! David! You touch the bottom?
Yeah.
With your butt?
Oh shit. Did you touch the bottom?
Huh?
Did you touch the bottom?
Yeah.
How hard?
Not so hard. I think